Hello everyone. In this video, I'll guide you step by step on how to watch F1 on Apple TV in a simple and smooth way. First, turn on your Apple TV and go to the App Store from the home screen. Now search for the F1 TV app. If it's available in your region, download and install it on your device. Once installed, open the app and sign in with your F1 TV account details. After logging in, you'll get access to live races, replays, and other Formula One content depending on your subscription. If the F1 TV app is not available in your region, you can use an alternative method. Open the browser on another device like your iPhone or Mac, log in to F1 TV, and then use AirPlay to stream the content directly to your Apple TV. Make sure both devices are connected to the same Wi-Fi network for this to work properly. Another option is to check if any supported streaming apps or broadcasters in your region offer F1 coverage on Apple TV. Once everything is set up, you can enjoy races in high quality right on your screen without any issues. Subscribe to the channel for more videos.